faculty of imagination, and the faculty of desire. If anyone asks you, define for me nafs. When you say jihad and nafs, what is the nafs? Jihad and nafs is that I recognize there is a fight happening internally between my reason, my anger, my imagination, my desire. If I'm involved in a relationship where I find that my husband's showing me no attention, what begins to happen with these four? My anger is that he's not showing me any attention. Physically, there is nothing happening between us. It's become stale. And really, it's sad how many marriages there are in the Muslim world where some husbands are the least romantic human beings you'll see in this world. Wallah. As in some Muslim communities, you look at your mothers, what they've gone through, you're like, Wallah, only God can give someone sabr like my mom with my dad. You look at him, the man walks into the house smelling more of Rothmans and Marlboro than he smells of a nice perfume. You sometimes find him sitting there not making any communication, even though his Prophet said an hour of dialogue with your wife is greater than a night of ibadah next to my grave in Medina. Yes. You find that there are some husbands will not do anything impulsively. Everything is structured. We go on a holiday 2 weeks a year, this day to this day. Why don't you do something impulsively, Habibi? Why don't you randomly book something? There's a million websites online. Book something. Go with the girl. Take her somewhere. Let her go and enjoy something. No, we have planned a 2-week holiday, a very polite 2-week holiday, where we take the kids with us. Why do the kids have to come? I said, why can't you two be alone? Well, you know, Sayyidina, and sometimes it's also the fault of the other side. Sometimes on the sister's side, you'll find that that sister will insist, no, the kids have to come. Why? You've got parents at home, grandparents, let the kids stay there. Go and spend a week together. Spend 5 days. Rekindle the relationship. No, we have to bring the kids with us. The kids come. This one's tired. That one wants to be with her. This one's tired again. That one. What happens with Zulaykha is that Zulaykha, many times the blame is thrown at her. Zulaykha, like any lady, wants to be close to her husband. Husband is busy on the Egyptian courts. Anger, number one, takes over her.